AC. So alternating current or alternating current voltage, AC voltage. If current means we will take directly alternating current, or voltage means what will take? AC voltage. Now in that what will have? Nothing but we will have the current and then current or voltage and then time graph here, I or E I have taken. Now that is what happening means it will start from the origin, it might be started anywhere. So always alternatingly it has to change its direction and then as well as magnitude. So it will be exactly equal, like this it will be there. Now in this what happening? Nothing but the current is starting at what initially at the origin, then what happening? Nothing but it is increasing, keep on increasing, it is reaching to the maximum value. After that as the time passes, then what happening? It is decreasing again, it is keep on decreasing as the time increases, and then after that it is reaching maximum value in the negative direction. Nothing but it is changing its direction or not? Initially it was having positive and then now it is coming to negative. Now it is changing its direction and then reaching the maximum value, again coming to 0, again increasing, becoming maximum, and then again coming to 0 and then coming to the negative maximum and then going to 0 again. So as the time increases, then what happens? Nothing but the current or voltage will change its direction. That is about mainly alternating current. So this will be the positive half cycle, this is the negative half cycle. So one full complete cycle, nothing but it has to reach 0 in the second time. First time already reached here, and then second time it has to reach. It has to cover positive direction as well as the negative direction. If you take from here to here only, so it is covering only positive half, then you have to take negative also. So that full cycle, nothing but it has to cover entire positive cycle and then it has to cover entire negative half cycle. So that only it is a full cycle. Now in this mainly this one, this maximum value, what is this known as? Amplitude in the case of oscillations. Now it is a peak value, we call it as a maximum value or peak value. So these are the basic terminologies. First of all I will discuss about briefly about the DC also, direct current also. So this is a voltage or current and then this is a time, nothing but what I said, direct current will changes with respect to time or does not change, sir? Does not change. If I take one value of voltage means it will be there as it is, there is no change in that. So it is neither increasing nor decreasing, it is keeping a constant with respect to the time. So this is about the DC, direct current, or DC voltage or direct current. Now this is the AC, the alternating current or AC voltage we will take. Now in this the wave is first of all, not the wave, actually oscillation is starting and then here we will take the positive half and as well as the negative half. In that first and foremost we will see the time period. What is the time period? Nothing but time taken for one complete cycle. Complete cycle, nothing but you have to take the positive half as well as the negative half. How much time is taken for that? Nothing but here whenever I started at this point my journey and then I am going here positive and then negative and then coming to this point only again. So how much time I cover? Nothing but the capital T, T. That is the time period we will take. So the time taken for one complete cycle is known as a time period. Again second time it is coming like this. Again this is what? Again another time period. Now how much time is there here? 2t is the time. Clear? So time period, nothing but the time taken to complete one full cycle, not half cycle, complete full cycle. That is about the time period. Next is about the frequency. What is the frequency? Reciprocal of time period. You will get the reciprocal of time period or number of cycles per second, we can say. For 1 second how many cycles we are able to produce. Instead of that, in this particular chapter you take it as simply the reciprocal of time period. Why? Because we will not count any oscillations, otherwise any cycles anymore. So that you will just take it as f is equals to 1 by t only. The reciprocal of time period is known as a frequency. Then next one is peak value. Peak value. Peak value will be only positive, otherwise it can be positive or negative. It can be positive or negative. Peak value, nothing but the maximum value it is reaching. So whenever I take this as a current I, then this will give you the peak value, that is how much, nothing but will indicate as I naught. Then this will be what here? Minus I naught. Check that. Here this is the I naught value, and then whenever you come to the negative direction, this is a minus I naught value. Clear? That is a peak value, nothing but the maximum value in the half cycle is known as the peak value. That might be first half cycle or second half cycle. So whenever the oscillation is normal oscillation, nothing but we will have damped oscillations also. What is the damped oscillation means? Amplitude changes with respect to time. Nothing but, for example, if you are doing oscillation under a fan, whenever you take the simple pendulum and then doing the oscillation under a fan, then what happens? It will come to the rest or not? Finally it will come, it will oscillate, and then finally it will come to the rest only. If you are doing in the vacuum, at that time it will keep on oscillating only. Whenever you are doing in the normal atmosphere, after some time it will come to the rest, due to which one? Air friction. Due to the air friction, the energy will be lost. Energy is lost, nothing but initially that is oscillating from here to here like this. Then what happens? Nothing but it will keep on decreases like this. So that what happening here? Amplitude is decreasing. Amplitude decreases with respect to time is known as the damped oscillations. So now we will take the normal oscillations only without damping and all for this chapter. So whatever the initial amplitude I am having, finally also I will have the same amplitude only, but in which direction? Opposite direction. So this is the plus I naught, this is the minus I naught. This is about the peak value means. Time period means what I said, the time taken for one complete oscillation. Frequency means what I said, the reciprocal of time period. Then peak value, nothing but what I can say, there is a maximum value in one half cycle. In the next half cycle also the maximum value is same only, but it will be in which direction? Opposite direction. That is about the peak value. Next we will get the RMS value and then average value. That we will discuss in detail. And before that, we will get one word called as phase. What does the phase means? What does the phase means? Phase means an angle. It will gives you idea about the direction of the oscillation. Otherwise, it will gives idea about where the particle is started. So initially, where I have started here? Where I have started? 0, right? Sometimes I might start at the maximum value also. You are understanding or not? Here also I can start and then I can oscillate like this. Means there is no need to that, always we have to take from 0 only. Like this also I can take. You understand or not? So that here there is no need to take, always we have to start from the origin. Whenever we start from the origin, at that time we are having the phase value is how much? 0. And then whenever we started at the maximum value, at that time the phase value is 90 degrees. It will be there 90 degrees. I will explain that however. But the phase nothing but it will give idea about the initial position of the particle. And also it will give idea about the direction of travelling of the particle in the case of oscillation. Now it is, you just assume that it is just gives idea about the direction of the current. Otherwise the initial point of the current. The phase will gives you idea about the initial point of the current. So if I say the phase angle is 0 here, phase is 0, 0 nothing but it is starting from where? Origin. So that you have to say that okay, current is starting from the origin. So the function is sinusoidal function. Whenever the current is starting from the maximum value, at that time function is which function? Cos function, cosine function. Okay, you have to remember that whenever the oscillation is started from 0 or origin, at that time function is which function? Sine function. In any function if I give, for example, I is equal to I naught sine omega t, then you have to understand that okay, she has started from origin only. Whenever I said I is equal to I naught cos omega t, where we have started? Maximum value. We have not started at the 0, we have started at the maximum value. Or the cos omega t also can be write as what? I is equal to, I have said that I naught cos omega t. The cos omega t can also be written as what? I naught cos omega t. Can I write cos theta as sin 90 plus theta? Everything is same one, right? Now here I naught sin of omega t plus 90 degrees. Both are same only, 90 plus theta or theta plus 90. Now what I can say here, okay, whenever you see this function, okay, she has started from the origin only. But here there is a phase value. How much that is? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 nothing but it gives the maximum value Maximum means obviously sin 90 is equals to how much for us? 1 only. So that you have to understand that, okay, we have started from the 1. If I say here pi by 4 nothing but how many degrees? 45 degrees. So where I have started? Exactly at 1 by root 2 of I naught. Clear? So that by that you have to identify that from where the journey is started, from there we have to calculate. So that and all, that much of depth will not be there, but you just understand that phase will gives you the idea about from where the particle is started, otherwise initial position of the current, and also its direction also it will tell. Okay, that direction and all we will discuss in the oscillation chapter. Now this is about the phase. Next, phase difference will be there. What is the phase difference? What is the phase difference? Difference between the phase angles. Here, whenever I take I is equals to I naught sin omega t plus 0. Nothing is there, nothing but plus 0 is there. Now my phase is omega plus 0. Here 0 is stating that I am starting from the origin. And also I have one function as I naught sin omega t, another function as I naught sin omega t plus pi by 2. So that what is the phase difference here? Omega t plus pi by 2 minus omega t. Nothing but how much will get? Only pi by 2. Clear? The difference between the two phase angles is known as the phase difference. Clear? So time period is the time taken for one complete oscillation. Frequency is reciprocal of time period. Then peak value nothing but maximum value in one half cycle, and then phase angle nothing but gives idea about the initial position or starting position and also direction. Then after that, whenever you see the phase difference nothing but the difference of phase angles of two functions, any two functions. So that is about the phase difference. This is about the basic terminology which we are going to use always. And also one more thing will be there, instantaneous. Instantaneous nothing but whenever I say I is equals to I naught sin omega t, this entire function is known as the instantaneous current. Or if I take E is equals to E naught sin omega t plus pi by 2, otherwise plus phi if I take, that is also instantaneous value of voltage we will take. So that is about the instantaneous value. And also all the measurements whatever they will give in the terms of AC. For example, they said that 20 amperes and then 100 hertz. Like this they have given, means that is they have given about the RMS value. If you don't know these values in the problems, you will substitute in wrong way. Most of the people will think that this is a peak value. Why? Because 20 amperes value is given. They have given like this nothing but they have given the RMS value, entire value they are giving. 20 amperes is there with 100 hertz of frequency. They are mentioning the frequency means compulsory they have given what here? RMS value. You have to remember for the problems. Okay. Now so any measurement, all the measurements whatever the alternating AC current, otherwise AC voltage measurements are there, no, that all the devices will measure only RMS value only. It will not going to give any peak value. It is even not going to give any instantaneous values and all. So compulsory whenever they are saying that so and so device is measuring so and so value means they have given which value? Only RMS value. You have to remember for the problems, very important, most confusing thing this is. Okay. So that is about the RMS value we will discuss, RMS and then average value. The average value and then RMS value nothing but the average value belongs to only half cycle. For one half cycle we will get the average value and the next half cycle we will get negative average value. This is just mean value only. Mean value nothing but if positive is there we have to take positive. If negative is there means we have to take the negative. For half cycle this is positive, another half cycle this is negative means totally becomes how much? 0. And also RMS nothing but root mean square value. Nothing but even in average also we will take the average value of all the currents in one half cycle. And then average value of all the currents in negative half cycle. So that whenever we are discussing about the average value, they are talking about only half cycle of the whatever the oscillation they have given. And also RMS value nothing but root mean square, nothing but squares of all the values and then its root, that will give the RMS value. Root mean square of all the currents. In the name itself it is there, root we have to do, and then mean you have to do. Mean nothing but what you have to do? Average, and then squares we have to do. the sum of the square, mean and then root. For example, I have let me take 2, 3, 4 like this number of I have 3 numbers. Further you have to do root mean square means what you have to do? 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, everything mean you have to do, and also along with that what you have to do? Root we have to do. Root mean square. For all the currents whatever we are getting at each and every instant of time, for all the currents we have to do root as well as mean as well as squares. That is about the root mean square. By the way, definition is not necessary for us, but the concept is important. Average means it will be calculated for only what? Half cycle only. For positive half cycle separately and then for the negative half cycle separately. Both are equal or not equal? Both are equal, but opposite in direction. So for full cycle how much it will become as? 0. But the RMS value will be calculated for the over full cycle only. Why? Because for everything we are doing mean here and then root you are doing the square by the way. If you are doing square means negative also become what? Positive only. So the root mean square or RMS belongs to total cycle. But the mean value belongs to only half cycle only. Clear? For one full cycle, what happens? Average value becomes how much? 0. Clear? That we will discuss. First and foremost, you write the AC, alternating current or AC voltage or AC voltage. The current or voltage changes its direction with respect to time. Changes its direction with respect to time. See that there is no guarantee that always you will get the sinusoidal functions for this. Mainly in this our whatever the syllabus is there for the NEET or IIT also, we will get only sinusoidal function, but there will be some more functions, some more forms will be there. That is a square function like this, and also we say that is a triangle function, triangular wave like this we will get. Types of waves I am saying about. Next one is we talk it as a sawtooth wave. Sawtooth wave like this it will be there. So these are the number of waves which are possible. So mainly for us only this one is important, sinusoidal function is important, and also cos function is important. Cos function nothing but from where it will start? From the maximum value. Sin function nothing but from where it will start? 0. Clear? Draw the 2 diagrams. Not only 2, everything you draw. This is I is equals to I naught sin omega t. This is I is equals to I naught cos omega t. ಏನು ಉದಯ್ ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರೀವಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? ಹಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಾಗೇನಾ? ಈ ಥರ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಹಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ? ಒಬ್ಬರೇನಾ? ಸಾಕಾ? ಅಷ್ಟು ಆ ಥರ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಪ್ಪ. ಏನು ಟಿಫಿನ್ ಇವತ್ತು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿನ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್. finished ah? Next DC, direct current. Write this as sine wave, this as cosine wave. ಅಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೇಲು ಎರೇಜರು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನರು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬೇಡ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ವಾವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಡ್ರೈಯರ್. ಡ್ರಾಯರಾ? Next one, direct current or DC voltage. DC voltage or direct current. The voltage or current will not change. Voltage or current will not change with respect to the time. With respect to the time. Draw the DC diagram. You have drawn everything already. Draw the DC. Right, first time period. Time period, the time taken for one full cycle, in bracket capital T. Frequency, reciprocal of time period, small f is equals to 1 by T. Then angular frequency, the angular displacement over the full cycle, the angular displacement over the time taken for full cycle, the angular displacement over the time taken for full cycle, omega is equals to 2 pi by T or 2 pi f, 2 pi by capital T, not small, 2 pi by capital T or 2 pi f. Next, peak value or maximum value, the maximum value of current and voltage, in positive and negative half cycles, Next, phase. gives idea about direction and initial position. Gives idea about direction and initial position of current. Direction and initial position of current in the function I is equals to I naught sin omega t plus phi. In the function I is equals to I naught sin omega t plus phi omega t plus phi is, in bracket you write omega t plus phi is this phi, don't write that as pi, phi. Omega t plus phi. In that omega t plus phi, in this function omega t plus phi is a phase, is everything okay? You're okay? Maximum ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. Next, phase difference. The difference of phase angles between two functions is the phase difference. Write this, write everything. Finished, huh? Yes, next we'll go little deep into the sine functions and then we'll discuss everything there. For example, I've got the sine function like this. From here to here, what is the time taken? Listen properly, this one. Let me take, this is a E nothing but EMF or voltage, E, and then this is a time taken T we will take. Now it is starting from the 0 origin. Which function this is? Sine function. So what is the equation now? E is equals to E naught sine omega t. Why? Because we have started from the origin only. We have started from other value, at that time omega t plus that angle we will get. Okay. Now this is the maximum value E naught. The maximum value here plus E naught, and then here this is minus E naught. Now in this I have said already, the time taken for one full complete cycle is known as what here? Time period. What will take that as? T. So that this is a time period T. Now if this is T means this will be how much here now? What is the time taken here? T by 2 obviously. So that this is T by 2. Next this time is how much here? T by 4. And then this time is how much? How much? 3T by 4. See that? Here T by 4. 2T by 4, 2T by 4 nothing but how much will get? T by 2 only. Listen here, this is T by 4. Okay, finished. Next one is 2T by 4, nothing but how much? T by 2, that is what I got. Then next one will be automatically how much? 3T by 4, so that 3T by 4. Next one is automatically what? 4T by 4, nothing but 4 gets cancelled, so only I got T here. You understand, right? So that for one full cycle, this is T. This is 1/4 of T, and then half of the T, and then 3/4 of the T, and then finally T we got. Clear? This is one full complete cycle. So to have the maximum value, what is the time taken? For the maximum value, what is the time taken? For maximum value, what is the maximum value here? This is the maximum value. How much time taken here? T by 4. To reach the 0 for the first time, what is the time taken? T by 2. To go to the negative maximum value, 3T by 4. To come to the 0 again, t is the time taken. Understand, right? Now we'll discuss about the angles. You just assume this as a circular motion only. So I'm just comparing with the circular motion, one round of circular motion here, one revolution of circular motion. Now what happening, nothing but this is the origin I will take. This is the origin, this is the maximum value, that is this one, and then this is the again 0, first time 0, this one is a 0, again coming to the negative maximum value, and then again it is coming to 0. You are able to compare them? Yes. So first of all, starting from the origin, this is the 0 here. Now going to the maximum value. So this, if I take this as a x-axis and then 0 I am taking, this is a y-axis, on that only I am taking the e value. So this is a maximum peak value in the positive side, and then negative side, this is how much? Minus e naught. Now first of all, I have started the journey at 0 only. Now coming to the maximum value nothing but how much here? E naught. Then again I am coming here, again where we are going again to the 0 only. So that I am going 0, but in which direction? Opposite direction. Then again coming to the maximum value in which direction? Negative direction. So that only I am coming to the maximum value in negative direction. After that, from that negative direction only we are going to where again? 0. So that I got again 0 only here. On this axis everything is 0 only, of course. So you have to compare this motion with this motion. Okay, we will take always the oscillatory motion as a circular motion only, uniform circular motion only. Now to reach 0 to maximum, what is the time taken? T by 4. So that again 0 to second time 0, what is the time taken? Capital T. So that capital T is the time taken for entire motion. Now this will be how much time? T by 4. This will be totally I am talking about T by 2. Then this will be 3t by 4, this will be 4t by 4, that is t only. T by 4, 2t by 4, 3t by 4, and then 4t by 4. If I add everything, what will get? T only again. So t by 4, t by 4, t by 4, t by 4. Everything is exactly 1/4 of the time period. Now what I am doing, nothing but I am just adding t by 4, then 2t by 4, then 3t by 4, then 4t by 4. That is about the time period already we have understood there only. Now about the angle we will discuss. For one complete cycle means what is the angle covered? 360 degrees. Everything we will discuss in terms of pi only. 360 means how many pi? 2 pi. So that the angle, total angle taken is how much here? 2 pi. For coming from starting from here and then coming again here only means we have covered 2 pi is the angle. Now we have reached the maximum value. Again what I can do, nothing but I can divide this into 4 parts again. 4 equal parts. This is how much here? I will take it as 2 pi by 4. This is one of the 2 pi by 4. This is another 2 pi by 4. This is another 2 pi by 4. This is another 2 pi by 4. So that what you will get here? This is 2 pi by 4. Then this is how much? 2 pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 4. Then how much you will get here? How much this is? 4 pi by 4. Nothing but what is the angle here? Pi you will get. This one completely from here to here I am talking. Okay. Then again from here to here, again how much time is taken? Pi only. From here to here how much angle is taken? Pi. 180 degrees. Obviously this is the positive side, this is the negative side, means how much angle is taken in that? Pi radians only, or 180 degrees. The remaining value is how much again? 180 degrees only. Now you have to take into 4 parts again. Now directly we will discuss here itself. So here I have started at the 0 degrees angle. 0 degrees angle. This time period is how much here? 0. 0, t by 4, 2t by 4, 3t by 4, 4t by 4. Then after that 0 degrees here, otherwise 0 radians we will take. Now total angle how much is said? For one complete cycle how much that is? 2 pi 360. If this is 2 pi means this will be how much? Obviously half will be pi by pi. I am sorry, this is pi. In that pi we are taking half means how much angle? This is pi by 2. Pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 and 4 pi by 2. Clear? So that pi by 2 here, 2 pi by 2, nothing but how much you will get? Pi only, that is what I am getting here. Then 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 as it is. Then 4 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2 nothing but again how much? 2 pi only. Clear? You understand that everything? So you have to remember the time periods like that. Nothing but directly if I have somewhere at 3t by 4 like that means 3t by 2 like 3 pi by 2 means you will not understand that where I am asking. So you have to understand that sequence properly. That is first one is pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 pi by 2. Time will start from where? T by 4, 2t by 4, 3t by 4 and then 4t by 4. Clear? The angle will start from the pi by 2 and the time will start from t by 4. Clear? That is about the time periods and then angles, otherwise the angular displacement covered for the full cycle as well as half cycle, otherwise quarter cycle, whatever they might give. So first maximum value at which angle we will attain? Maximum value at which angle we will attain? Angle pi by 2, right? At pi by 2 only we are having the E naught maximum value. Next, first time 0 where we will attain? At pi degrees. Why? Because here this is a sine function, by the way. Sin 180 becomes how much? 0. That is what here is, it is becoming as 0. Then it will reach the negative maximum value at what angle? Nothing but 3 pi by 2. Again reaches a 0. At what angle? 2 pi. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 180 also 0 only. Sin 360 also 0 only. Not only 360, 720 also 0 only. Even multiples of pi is always 0 only. In the case of sine we will take. So here this is about the basic time periods and then angular displacements. Write that, everything you write. Finished, huh? Next we will check the peak value and all. So for that, first of all I have taken the equation here, sinusoidal function as E is equals to E naught sin omega t. Now in that I want to calculate the E value at exactly time taken is equals to t by 4. What you will get generally? At t by 4 what is the value you will get? Maximum value, right? At t by 4 what is the value you are getting here? Maximum. That is how much you will get? E naught only you will get. Let's check it will come or not. So that E is equals to E naught sin of omega nothing but how much? What is the omega? 2 pi by t. I said omega definition also, right? The angular frequency. So that will be 2 pi by capital T. In the place of small t what I have given here? T by 4. Then t gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. E naught sin of, what is there remaining here? Pi by 2 is remaining. Sin pi by 2 nothing but how much? Sin 90. Sin 90 value is how much? 1. So that this will become 1 here. Then E becomes how much here? E naught. Nothing but it will attaining the maximum value there. Let's check at 3t by 4. At time t is equals to 3t by 4. What we should get generally? What we should get? Negative E naught. Minus E naught we have to get. Let's check it will come or not. So that E is equals to E naught sin of omega nothing but again how much? 2 pi by t. Always 2 pi by t only. Omega is always 2 pi by capital T only. In the place of small t, whatever the time they have given, that one you have to substitute. Now in the place of small t, how much time I have given? 3t by 4. So that 3t by 4, t gets cancelled, and then what you are getting here, E naught sine 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 nothing but how much? 270 degrees. At 270 degrees sine value becomes how much? Minus 1. So that this will become minus 1 here. So it will become how much here? Minus E naught. That's it. Now over the time period t, let us consider. If the t is equals to the time period, then E naught sine of omega nothing but how much here? 2 pi by capital T. Small t value also how much now? T only. So that t gets cancelled here. Then E naught sine of 2 pi. Sine 2 pi nothing but how much? 360 degrees. Again that is 0 degrees only. So what is the value? 0. So that here E is equals to what will get? 0. That is how you have to substitute whenever they have given the simple time periods. Simple time taken for complete either one full cycle is capital T, otherwise they are just covering the 1/4 of the cycle, nothing but you have to get how much maximum value is E is equals to E naught. You have to remember that we will get the maximum value at what time, nothing but t by 4 time. Negative maximum value at what time we will get? 3t by 4 time. Clear? And also at the angular displacement, let us find out the angular displacement of pi. At pi, what is the value you have to get generally? At pi, what is the value of voltage here? 0. So let's check that. Now E is equals to E naught sine of, what is the omega t means here? Omega into t means what? Omega t is what? Angular displacement. Angular velocity is equals to, what is the formula? You forget everything, laws of motion, circular motion, work power energy, everything gone. Omega nothing but what? Angular velocity. Angular velocity formula is what? Theta by time. Angular displacement by time. Then theta is equals to what I can write? Omega into time. That is what I have written here. Omega into time. So only it is giving the angular displacement. Without knowing that, what you are understanding from that time. Here omega t and then this angles and all. Here omega t nothing but this is the angular displacement. Why? Because we have the omega formula. Omega is equals to theta by t. Then theta is equals to what I can write? Omega into t. That angle only I am writing here. Pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and then 2 pi and all. Now here I am just calculating at the angular displacement theta is equals to pi or omega t is equals to pi. Now sine of, in the place of omega t, what I can substitute? Pi directly. Then sine pi becomes how much? 0. Then E is equals to how much we are getting? 0. At pi, what happening? Voltage is coming as how much? 0. At 3 pi by 2, how much it will come as? At 3 pi by 2, what will come? Here what is coming from this diagram? Minus E naught. At pi by 2, what will get? Plus E naught will get. At 2 pi, what will get? 0 again. Clear? That is about the angular displacements and then time periods. Copy that. Everybody is sleeping like Brahmanandam only. You are just opening your eyes. In your Raja? ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಾಗ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀನು ಶ್ರೀವಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಇದ್ರು? ಏನಂದ್ರು ನೀನು? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದರು? ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಾ? ಯಾಕೆ, ಏನನ್ನ ವಿಶೇಷನ? I don't know, I became so much dirty by talking to you people. ನೀವೇ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ. ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಿದ್ದವ? ಬಾ. क्या है जोक उधर? आसिफ क्या है जोक? ಶಮಂತಕ ಮನಿ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾರ ವಿಶೇಷ ಇದೆನಾ? वेरी श्योर है, स्टिल डूइंग मैरेज ओनली. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಶೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಲಗಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ RMS. Right, before that one conclusion you write. At T/4, at the time T/4 and at the angle pi/2, at time T/4 and at the angle pi/2, the alternating current or voltage becomes maximum in the next line. After T/2 time, an angular displacement pi, it becomes 0 by completing one half cycle. Next line. At 3T/4 and 3π/2, at 3T/4 and 3π/2, it will reach the negative peak value. After 2t time, next point, after 2t time, after 2t na t na, after t and 2π, after t and 2π, it completes one oscillation and reaches 0 That is about the basic introduction. That is still basic introduction only. Now average value ಏನಂತ? Average value or mean value? Average or mean value? Here I said that mean value will be calculated over what? Only half cycle. Only half cycle you have to calculate over. So here the I mean, otherwise I average will indicate like this. Average nothing but will indicate with the bar. That is not a vector. Vectors will not come here. It will come in the vector addition and then vector directions and all will come in the LCR circuit and all. Now you just as per now you just remember that this I bar and then E bar indicates the average value. Now that I bar and then E bar for half cycle, whenever I take the half cycle, I said only half cycle, right? Over the half cycle we will calculate the mean value. That will be how much? Nothing but this will be how much? 2I0/pi. Directly, there is no need of integrations and all. Direct value is how much? 2I0/pi for first positive half cycle. For again for the next half negative cycle, what will you get here? Minus. For the first half cycle, this is first half cycle. Then negative half cycle, how much you will get here? Minus 2I0/pi. So over the full cycle, how much it will become as? 0. So that for full cycle it will become as I average is equals to 0. Which function this is, by the way? Sine function. If it is a cos function also same thing only. For first half cycle it will become from 1 to -1 and then next half cycle -1 to +1. Again the same thing only. Again there also becomes how much? 0 only. So you have to just remember this formula 2I0/pi. So this 2I0/pi value is how much? Nothing but I think 0.637 times of I0. 2/pi is equals to 0.63 times of I0. So this will become how much now here? Minus 0.637 times of I naught. Then I average over the full cycle becomes how much? Here 0 plus 0.637 and then minus 0.637 becomes how much here? 0. That is about the average value of the current, and also it will be calculated only for the half cycle. For half cycle it will have some value, but for full cycle what happens here? It will become as how much? 0. This is for only positive half cycle, this is for the negative half cycle. This is about the average value of current, and then average value of sine function, cos function will become how much? I will tell you. Those are very important for the problems. So first of all, if I take the sine function, if I take sine function, sine omega t or cos omega t, the average value of sine omega t or cos omega t becomes how much? Means 0. Why? Because here only we are seeing that. Yes sir, this is a sine function we are saying. Positive half is how much here? 2 I naught by pi. Negative half cycle is how much? Minus 2 I naught by 5. For full cycle how much it will become as? 0. That might be even cos function also like that only. For example, if I take the cos function like this, now this is the first half cycle we will take. From here to here first half cycle. Then from here to here minus half cycle we will take. Again for that also average value becomes how much? 0. Equal or not? Both are equal in, and then in opposite. See that these two are positive and then these two are negative. So it is becoming as how much again? 0 only. So that might be sine function or cos function. The average value becomes how much? That is 0 only. Yoraja, good morning Yoraja. Half cycle becomes 0. You go to the washroom and then come. Go. So sine omega t, cos omega t, the average value of sine and then cos omega t becomes how much? 0. Nodi saku ee pakka nodri first. So here sine square omega t, average value of sine square omega t or cos square omega t becomes how much? Means that is 1 by 2. Sine square omega t or cos square omega t becomes how much? 0. These are very that is what? No, sine omega t, cos omega t becomes 0. I did not say like that. I said no, you are deaf. I did not say like that. Be alert. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಾ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕನಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ? ನೀವೇನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನಾನೇ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನೀವೇ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಒಮೆಗಾ ಟಿ, average value that becomes how much? 0. Then average value of sin square omega t, cos square omega t becomes how much? Not 0, that is 1 by 2. Clear? That is how you have to calculate the problems. Whenever you solve the problems at that time, this will be very helpful. You have to remember that always. Only sin function or cos function 0. Otherwise average value of sin square function or cos square function becomes how much? 1 by 2. And then even sin 2 omega t or cos 2 omega t also how much? That is 0 only. Square is there 1 by 2. If not, everything is 0 only. Okay, that is about the mean value. Then we will discuss the average value. Average value. So I average ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಅಲಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ? ಎಸ್, RMS, not average, RMS. IRMS or ERMS. Now this is how much? IRMS is equals to how much? I naught by root 2. I naught by root 2. 1 by root 2 is nothing but 0.707. Listen here Uday. 0.707 times of I naught. This is for over full cycle, otherwise only half cycle. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Full cycle. The RMS is for full, not half, and then not even quarter also. For this one is for only half. That is enough for us. If we are taking quarter means it will not come. Nothing will come. Time is taken as how much are the quarter? Quarter time is taken T by 4, angle is pi by 2. क्या तेरे हिसाब से सेम है डिफरेंट है? आसिफ कल कुछ की बोलता था ना कल हाफ बोले तो 90 ml और 30 ml बोल के ऐसा. So here IRMS is I naught by 2. This will be calculated over the full cycle here. And also remember, while solving the problems, we'll say that as what I said, root mean square, correct? So that here I square RMS, always we'll calculate the I square RMS. The I square RMS nothing but in the terms of integration. Why? Because they might be given the functions also. At that time what we'll get means integration of I square dt by integration of dt. Integration I square dt by integration of dt. So here over full cycle I said 0 to t and then 0 to t. So automatically what is the formula you will get? Integration of 0 to t, dt nothing but how much you will get? T, and then here 1 by t into integration of I square dt. This is what here I square RMS. I want only I RMS nothing but what you have to do here? Under root of this value, entire value we have to take. So under root of integration of 0 to t I square dt by integration of 0 to t dt. Whenever they have given the functions based on the time, at that time you have to solve the problem like this. Otherwise, whenever they have given the normal peak value and then directly asking the RMS value, at that time you have to take as what IRMS is equals to I naught by root 2, or ERMS is equals to what I can write? Simply E naught by root 2. That will be how many times? 0.70 times of E naught. Or we can say that 70.7% of E naught. In percentages if I talk. So anything is correct only. This one also 63.7% of I naught. That is a average value, even it is a RMS value. And while calculating the average value, you will simply get it as just integration of I and then dt we will get. Integration of I dt. Okay, I will tell you how to calculate that also. So this is about the RMS, this is about the mean value, and the RMS values are different. Here there are shortcut for the average values. But for the RMS value also, what you have to do nothing but you have to simply do the square, and after that what you have to do? Obviously mean, you have to do root mean. You have to do the mean value. Mean nothing but what you have to do? Bar you have to do, average value you have to do. So while doing the problems you can get more clarity about that. So first of all copy this mean values and then RMS values. Mean and RMS. NTG ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದೆ? ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಹೌ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಟಿ ಜಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲೆನ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಂಬ జల్దీ. ఏది సైన్స్ పేరు? ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఒమేగా టీ డిటీ చేసేసి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ డిటీ చేయాలి. అర్థమైందా? వచ్చేస్తుంది అది. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಶಮಂತಕ್ ಮನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಟಿ ಜಿ ಇದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಗೊಂಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್. So whenever they have given the function of time, so what is the formula of IRMS? Under root integration of I square dt by integration of dt. Limits are from where to where? 0 to t. In the case of average, what is that? In the case of average, how much we will calculate? Only half cycle or otherwise full cycle? Only half cycle. So that what you have to write here? I average over the half cycle. Only for the half cycle. I average is equals to what I can write? Integration of I dt by integration of dt. Now tell me the limits. Half cycle na? Half cycle nothing but 0 to t by 2, 0 to t by 2. That is a function of time. Average value, I average or E average, both are same only. And also you write here sin 2 omega t, sin 2 omega t or cos 2 omega t. Average value becomes how much? 0. Only squares are there, at that time only you will get it as 1 by 2. IDT ne. There that is a square root, right? Root means square. It is not root mean square here, directly mean value. Done? Shall you do one problem? I will give one problem. If I is equals to 2 root t, I is equals to 2 root t amperes, I is equals to 2 root t amperes, then calculate average and RMS value, over t is equals to, small t is equals to 2 to 4 seconds. 2 to 4 seconds. Then next problem, E is equals to 20 sin 100 pi t. 20 sin 100 pi t volts. Then calculate E at 1 by 600 seconds. Chikkumakulu problem. 1 by 600 seconds. Chalo. Go to the classes. Up there video.